No.
Yeah. Alright, so this is a secondary tutorial on how to take STI clusters off. There's a known issue that the shafts do like to come out of the pins. So this is actually a fresh cluster from a buddy, Richard. I've never taken this apart, so I'm going to just go this play by play and kind of explain to you how this process works, and if the pin does start coming out, what to do to save the cluster. I'm going to go ahead and get this out of my way. So again, stepper motor and stepper motor. So what you want to do is you want to slowly go opposite the direction of needle spinning and just spin it to prime it a little bit. And what you're going to do is once you feel like it's loose, you'll feel a little change in resistance, and you can very, very lightly pull up like that. If you ever feel the pin coming up, stop. But I'm going to do the same thing with this. Spin until I feel that the needle is loose. There's no more resistance, and I'm going to very lightly, almost no force at all, pull up like that. Same thing with the temp and fuel. It's going to be a little tricky because it needs to skip over, but I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spin just like this and very lightly pull up, almost next to no force. Same thing with this. I'm going to spin. And when I feel it get loose, I'm going to very lightly pull up next to no force. And that's it. And then you just follow the rest of the procedure and you're good. Be sticky, so be careful. But for me, we just pull it off.